Hi guys, it's your boy Friends and welcome back to my channel. So today is our last day here in Osaka and right now we are preparing to leave kasi magta-transfer kami to Tokyo. So we will be boarding a Shinkansen or parang a bullet train daw. So hopefully makarating kami on time. Our boarding time is at 10 AM. Currently, it's at 8:45. So, let's see. As usual, we're waiting for Marielle. Yung pinakahuling natatapos every single time. Yun si Steph. Yeah. We are in the lobby pala ng hotel. Sorry, I couldn't tour you here. Pero yan siya. Yan yung itsura niya. And social sila dito guys kasi yung self-check-in nila dito ka nang magmamani opera tapos lalabas dito yung key, diba? Social. Anyway, enough about that. See you in Tokyo. Bye. Ayan, while waiting for Marielle, let's buy water muna dito sa malapit lang na Bendo. Ayan. Mas mura kasi dito yung water kaysa sa Family Mart. So, let's have a quick tutorial. Meron ditong water na tig 100 yen. So, kuha lang tayo ng 100 yen. Here. Wait, let me show you. Ayan, ito yung 100 yen nila. Equivalent to roughly around like 50 pesos. Tapos, hulog mo siya dito. Yan. Tapos mag-reflect yung amount and then you click what you're gonna buy. And then that's it. Nahulog na siya. We have water! Ganyan kabilis, guys. Yay! Hi guys, so we're here at Shin Osaka Station in order to ride a Shinkansen to Tokyo. Medyo nagmamadali kami. I'm so sorry that I cannot take you with me. But it's here. 10 AM kasi yung boarding namin. And Marielle is already here, so bye-bye. See you. Hi guys, we made it sa boarding before the train arrived. So our boarding time is at, no, departure time pala is at 10:06. We're waiting for our train to arrive. Time check, it's 9:55. So, thankfully, kahit medyo super manic Friday ginaganap, we're still here. We arrived safely and we arrived on time. So, see you Tokyo! yung dimensions niya will total 260 centimeters. Yung luggage ko totals only 250 centimeters. Pero just, by looking at it at face value, parang masasabi mong large or extra large. So dun ako kinabahan kasi baka i-consider nila yung luggage ko as extra large, which needed reservation. Thankfully, sobrang laki ng legroom niya dito sa seat. Kaya kumasya pa din. Wait, let me show you. That's it guys, kita-kita na lang tayo sa Tokyo later. Matutulog muna ako kasi medyo kulang ako ng sleep. Bye! Hi guys, we have finally arrived here in Tokyo. After roughly around 2.5 hours, nandito na po tayo. That's the Shinkansen na sinakyan namin. Yes. And let's see, hopefully ma-enjoy natin ang Tokyo. Hopefully madami tayong magawa. And hopefully I can take you with me. Hi guys, after a few minutes, na-figure out na din namin kung saan yung Otemachi Station. Sobrang lawak pala nitong Tokyo Station. Anyway, we are in Tokyo! Oh, merito, na 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 na. Hi guys, we just got out of Tokyo Station and right now, naisip namin na since 4 PM pa naman yung check-in namin dun sa accommodations namin here in Tokyo, nag-lunch na muna kami and then yung pinakaunang legit or authentic na Japanese restaurant that we found is called Nakao. It's just outside of Tokyo Station. Steph, what did you order? Grilled chicken plus bunay. Egg pala, sorry. Hi guys, we have finally arrived here at Nishidai Station in Itabashi and now hanapin naman namin yung hostel namin which is around 700 meters ahead. So hopefully pwede na kaming makapag-check-in kahit hindi pa 4 PM or kahit maiwan lang muna yung mga gamit. Sige, see you! Hi guys, update. we have finally checked in dito sa first accommodation namin here in Tokyo. It's located here in Itabashi. Medyo malayo-layo siya from the central, kumbaga sa Tokyo Center. But maganda because this is the, I think, yung pinakamaluwag na accommodation na nabook namin sa buong international trip experience namin tatlo. Wait, let me show you. And that's Sadako. Medyo makalat pa yun guys, pero
yay. We can observe here the sunset.
hi man.
Origination.
Hi guys, so we decided it's gonna be a Shibuya crossing night. Punta kami ngayon ng Shibuya. Actually, medyo matagal-tagal based on Google Maps. Parang around 1 hour siya from our place. So medyo malayo-layo pala talaga itong nabook namin na accommodations. Pero one night lang naman kami dito. So after Shibuya, after makapag-take ng photo dun sa famous crossing, mag-Shinjuku kami to take our dinner. So right now, we're walking to Nishida Station kung saan kami bumaba kanina. Let's go. Ang lamig. Hi guys, welcome to Shibuya. Ayan, ngayon papunta kami ngayon sa Shibuya Crossing. Hopefully, walang stampede na maganap. Let's go! This is it guys, we're here at Shibuya Crossing. Sure? Hi guys, so tapos na po kami nagpabalik-balik sa Shibuya Crossing. Ayan, mga pagod na kami and gutom na. So we're trying to look for Ichiran here in Shibuya. So I'm excited kasi nasa bucket list namin siya, nakakainan here in Japan. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint. Hi guys, we already found Ichiran here in Shibuya. Kaso 40 minutes in waiting time, but we're willing to wait for the experience. Pila-pila din pag may time. Purchase now. There. Step. Hi guys, we're already inside Ichiran and it's a completely different experience. Sobrang exciting. Alam mo yun, yung parang you're not just excited about the food but you're also excited about the dining experience. It has that feels and I'm so excited and happy to be here. So right now guys, I'm waiting for my order to be taken. Nagkamali ata ako. Hindi ko clinic yung hindi ko pinush yung isa dito na kailangan ko na palang ata i-push. So we're na-push.
お食券お預かりいたします。失礼します。それでは少々お待ちくださいませ。失礼いたします。
So ayan guys, my order has just been taken. Let's just wait for it and hopefully masarap siya. Arigato.
それでは失礼いたします。
Hi guys, so to complete the entire Ichiran experience, we are gonna order dessert. Sabi kasi nila masarap yung matcha almond pudding nila dito. So, let's try it. Minsan lang naman tayo mag-splurge.
した。お待たせいたしました。
ありがとう。
それでは失礼いたします。ありがとうございました。
Hi guys, we're at Shibuya Station and we're gonna go to Shinjuku. So, I think mag-Yamanote line kami. Let's see. Hi guys, magta 30 minutes na kami dito sa Shinjuku Station. Hindi kami makalabas. Oh my god. Guys, hindi kami makalabas dito. Comment down below kung nasan po yung West Exit. Baka pag nag-comment kayo, dun pa namin mahanap. Yung West Exit na yun guys, di talaga namin mahanap. Okay. So, hopefully, this is the right path. May nakita kaming parang walkway papunta sa opposite direction. Hopefully, makalabas na kami ng Shinjuku. Paglabas namin dito, pagkatakloban na. Ayan. Oh, Shinjuku pa din siya. Shinjuku pa din siya, guys. Guys, hindi talaga kami nakakalabas. Hi guys, so after a few minutes, nakalabas na po kami ng Shinjuku Station. Thanks to that one Pinoy na tumulong sa amin para makalabas. So, thank you Sir Al. I know hindi mo makikita to, but if ever you come across this video, thank you. Pinalabas mo kami ng Shinjuku. And now, nasa area kami ng parang government offices. So, hindi masyadong magulo. Nasa other side daw, sabi pa ni Sir, yung gulo ng Shinjuku. So later on, pupuntahan din namin yan. Tinuruan din niya kami kung paano. Maybe in the next few days, babalik kami dito kasi ang ganda ng leaves dito. Ang ganda ng color na. I think the color of the leaves are already changing. So, maganda na dito. I think pag umaga. Tapos, nahuhulog-hulog na din siya. So I think babalik kami dito in 2 or 3 days time. Until next week pa naman kami dito. So, hi guys, so after more than an hour of finding our way out, nahanap na po namin ang Shinjuku, ang gulo ng Shinjuku, kagaya ng sabi ni Sir Al. Dito na po kami. Yes. Hanapin na lang po namin yung Godzilla head. Tapos pagkatapos nun, maybe uwi na kami since it's getting late already. Tara! Hi guys, nakita na po namin si Godzilla and sobrang underwhelming siya kasi ang liit lang pala niya. Nandun siya guys, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayan. siya yan. I thought like malaking ulo talaga yung makikita ko, pero anyway, that's what we get. I think this ends our video. It's your boy Friends. Thank you so much for joining me in this Shibuya Shinjuku adventure. And again, see you on the next one. Always remember that no matter where you go, no matter what you do, no matter whom you meet, always choose to be kind, because kindness goes a very long way. Bye!